Here we present the 5 best indoor water fountain. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Sunnydays Tabletop Fountain utilizes 6 tiers and is nature-inspired. The construction is made of durable polyresin, including a quiet electric submersible pump, singular fountain and a back door camouflaged footpads for protection as well as triple LED lights. The Sunnydays Tabletop Fountain is designed to be durable as well as very light. It has a very real appearance with stacked stones having water flowing right through each of the 6 tiers. At number 4. Canary continuously offers new items and ensures that these products are very affordable with top-notch quality. This model is one of the newest from Canary Fountain tabletops. It serves as a great decor for your office or home. Aside from decor, this product as well acts as an air purifier, aromatic diffuser, night light, and humidifier. This mist tabletop fountain is one of the best mist making machines and offers double the mist amount. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. The Bee-Babe Desktop Fountain is made of poly-textured resin and offers you a very natural visual. All the amazing fact about it is its portability, which makes it very easy to position and move. 3-tiered waterfall, natural stones, and a large basin. The tiers create several streams of water, creating a gentle soothing sound of water. The water flow replicates the sights and sounds of a tranquil spring. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. This tabletop fountain offers an atmosphere of meditation as it flows into the rock-like reservoir bowl through its 3 tiers. You can easily place the mood for romance or meditation by purchasing this amazing fountain with 3 tiers. It is handcrafted from sustainable resin materials as well as also features pouring tiers numbering up to 3. This tabletop fountain includes a pillar high imitates weathered, natural stones with rough textures. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Dean's Day Tabletop Fountain is absolutely perfect for indoor use due to its indoor-friendly finishes. It is also very lightweight for easy movement from one part of the home to another. Utilizes a plastic base having a resin top. Environmentally compliant. Uses a standard outlet for powering. Cuboid 3-tiered column modeling. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.